Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I pack and ship my artwork. So first off, here's the artworks. I'm gonna put them in a plastic sleeve.
Look how why your tent? I'm going to get off right here.
So I got this free stickers. And I got this is the envelopes that I'll be using. I'll be covering some of my customers' information. So this is like my first sticker for our address. And then I got a thank you card. So I just place sticker. Oh, I actually put it in another envelope. I put it in the big envelope because sometimes I give them some bookmarks or bigger freebies, so I use a bigger envelope. So, and before I forgot, I also got some stamps. I use stamps if the order is just one or two, but if more, I have a tracking for it. So that'll be all for today, guys. Bye bye.